CANVA is a free-to-use online design platform. Is a CANVA program free? Is always free to use. However, if you want to unlock premium features, individual can upgrade to CANVA Pro. CANVA's Australian graphic design platform. How long can I use CANVA for free? CANVA is forever free to use. Is Photoshop similar to CANVA? CANVA and Photoshop are both graphic design software. However, they have distinct differences. Is CANVA used by professionals? Yes. CANVA is used by professionals. Is CANVA better than PowerPoint? CANVA allows for more sophisticated designs without tricky to use. Why CANVA is amazing? The CANVA features are extremely easy to use, even you don't have graphic design skill. CANVA's education is free K-12 teachers and their students, powering creation and collaboration in every classroom. CANVA Pro. Both versions have the same basic features. CANVA Pro is the paid version that gives users access to additional features, more storage space and more fonts and illustrations than the CANVA. Reference: https://canva.com. Benefits of CANVA 1. Create wireframes with ease. Benefits of CANVA number 2. Pre-made size templates make creating size-specific content simple. Use transparency tool on all elements. Benefits of CANVA number 4. Hundreds of elements, icons and graphics to choose from. Benefits of CANVA number 5. The ability to add frames and vignette to imagery. Thank you. Retired SPO4 Norbert Bunogara, NPG channel The Investigator.
How to open the CANVA. Type the words canva.com at the search bar of Google. Click the icon Create Design. After clicking the Create Design, it will pop up the different designs of CANVA: whiteboard, video, presentation, Facebook post, talking presentation, video college, Instagram story, your story, animated social media, infographic, iPad document, logo, Facebook cover, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, photo college, poster, Instagram post, resume, YouTube channel logo, video message, certificate, business card, Facebook video and flyer. Choose one among the designs. At the left side of the CANVA dashboard, you can see the tools, templates, elements, uploads, text, photos, audio, background, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Drive, Facebook and many more.